Hello students, this is my lecture number 7 on chapter 5 and the topic for today is subtraction of polynomials. Here you have two polynomials and the question is subtract this from this. The expression which is with from will come first. This is your first step. You have to decide which expression you will write first, this one or this one. Okay, there are two methods to solve this question. You can use horizontal method or vertical method. So first I am going to use horizontal method and then vertical method. You can use any one, okay? Now this expression, and after deciding which expression you will write first, you have to arrange them in descending order. Okay? You have to arrange descending order. So this expression is already I have arranged in descending order, then minus as I am going to subtract, and then second expression in descending order. Okay, now in the next step I have written the missing term. This is x4, then square minus 3x square is there, cube is missing. So I have written 0x cube, cube with 0 coefficient. The terms which are missing we will write them with 0, okay, with 0 coefficient. The rest of the expression will come as it is, minus sign, and here cube, square, 1 and x raised to power 0 is there. So x raised to power 4 is missing. Here the highest power is 4, so x raised to power 4 we are going to write with 0. Here 0 x raised to power 4 is missing in this expression. Alright. In the next step I am going to open the brackets. The first expression will come as it is. Now the second expression, as minus is outside, so it is going to change all the signs inside the bracket. Now minus and with plus 0, minus plus minus, minus plus minus, minus minus plus 4x square, minus minus plus x, minus plus 8 minus 8, okay, minus plus minus. Alright, once you have already changed the signs, as minus is outside, you are going to write like terms together, 5x4, and in the second expression you have minus 0x4. Don't forget to put a tick mark when you are going to write them. I mean when you are going to write like terms together. Then 0x cube, and from the second expression you have minus 2x cube, and similarly. Alright, you have all like terms together in this step. Now it's time to simplify your answer, 5x4 minus 0x4. Now we are going to subtract only coefficients. Variables will come as it is. 5 minus 0 is 5. Plus 0 minus 2 gives you minus 2, because this 0 means nothing. So this term will come as it is. Minus 3x square plus 4x square. Minus 3x square plus 4x square. Minus plus minus, but sign of bigger number will come. Okay. So 4 minus 3 is 1. X square will come as it is. 1x plus 1x gives you 2x. Minus 9 minus 8. Okay, when we have same signs, we take the sum, but sign remains same. Minus minus is plus. We are going to add these numbers, but for the signs we have to write same sign as it is, okay? Minus minus is plus, but we will write minus. So I used to say to my students, when we have same signs, we take the sum, but sign remain same, all s, okay? Vertical method. Now this is your simplified answer, okay? Now vertical method. For vertical method you have to arrange these expressions and also write the missing terms, okay? The missing term. So the missing term is here 0x cube, and in the second expression the missing term is 0x raised to power 4. Now in subtraction for vertical method, what you have to do, the circle one, they are the first signs of this polynomial. Now you have to change the signs of every term of the second polynomial which is to be subtracted. Now this polynomial is to be subtracted, so you are going to change the signs of each term. Alright, plus we will change into minus, plus we will change into minus, minus is going to be changed with plus, minus we will change into plus, plus is going to be changed and it will be minus. Now it's time to take their subtraction. Plus 5 minus 0 is plus 5x4. 0 means nothing, so minus 2x cube will come as it is. And subtraction I have already discussed with you in detail here. And here 1x square, and then 1 plus 1 is 2x, minus 9 minus 8 is minus 17. And your assignment work is you have to do question number 2 of exercise 5.2. Okay, take care, bye.